if you're seeing this, make sure you get yourself one of really is like really precise tip of the tweezer, because this will help to pick up your really cute stickers easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. As there's some extra drip there, you can get it if you want to. If you don't want to, that is absolutely totally, it's up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it right on the top. So this, either you are going, if you are going to using your 2 gel polish and you don't want to put the matte top coat on, I'm putting it on because I don't want a tacky layer, and I'm gonna be completely, or if you have gel polish, you might want to remove the tacky layers off. But then for the best results, I always either do it on the top of the no wipe top coat or top of the matte top coat. So I'm just doing a couple and then see what's up. It's really cute, and I really like to play with this today to share with you. If you are receiving your sub box, that is so awesome, and a lot of holo designs is coming in your sub box. So you can do it on the top of any colors, like a black, white, beige, pink, and whatever. If you're happy with this, you know, you just need to do a really thin coat of the condensed glue gel, and then folding your no wipe top coat, you can definitely encapsulate it and then completely seal your sticker. So then the stickers will stay nowhere but in the nails until the next time they are going to come back and get the nails done, or you are getting your nails done. So with this one, I am gonna do some super cute like chained. You can simply get the chained. This is the one I got it from here. Either one of this is works. You can do silver, you can do rose gold, you can do like obsidians, however you would like. So I'm gonna just cut any pieces you want. You can do it longer, shorter. I'm gonna cut like maybe just length. Just use crystal clipper remover and cut a few pieces. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the condensed glue gels and go ahead, and we're doing a 3-step methods, which is condensed glue gel, no wet top coat, and pre-seasoned glue gel. So first thing first, I'm go ahead and apply the condensed glue gel, really thick density. So you are going to need a little bit, not much, unless you're using like 3D crystals. So I am go ahead and blend it right on the top. So this is really cool. Is not only is going to adhere your crystal, but also encap your holo stickers right in there. So what I'm gonna do, I am not going to put the top coat on yet. So I'm gonna just go ahead and see if I can get like, just this frame right there. Hopefully just listen. You can adjust however you want. And then I'll take one of the bees. Okay. Use that first. And I'm go ahead and using the no wipe top coat right on the top. and floating right on the top. And this, you don't have to worry about if you are going right on the top of your beads, the meta pieces. Okay. I'm not using one of the color from the Summers is Coming. Can I get this Summer Comings kits, please? Thank you. I love this kit so much. You can put any is colors that you want. So I'm thinking of which color. Maybe this one. It blending with the nails. Let's get this one. It's popping better. And I'll do, that's a green already. We can do some red or green, like do red. And you can put any colors you want. It doesn't have to be the two colors, just for your preference. And then put a couple of the cute flower, cute crystal on it. You don't have to do a lot. Just very much cool. And then you can move it however you want. If you want yours leaf, dripping leaf, gonna be on down a little bit more, up a little bit more. It is up to you, however you would like. And if you're happy with this, we're going to cure this for 60 seconds.